Now, myself Sonal Borakhade, and today's lecture is on Boolean algebra. In this lecture, the learning outcome are after watching this video, the learner will be able to simplify the given expression using the Boolean laws and develop the logic circuit using the given Boolean laws. Now, these are the Boolean laws. Here, the 6 types of Boolean algebra laws. They are: first is the cumulative law, associative law, distributive law, AND law, OR law, and inverse law. Now, first in one is cumulative law. Any binary operation which satisfies the following expression is referred to as cumulative operations. The cumulative law states that changing the sequence of the variable does not have any effect on the output of the logic circuit, that is a into b is equals to b into a, or we can say as a plus b is equals to b plus a. Now, next is the associative law. It states that the order in which the logic operation are performed is irrelevant as their effect is the same, that is a into b into c is equals to a into b into c, or in the OR operation we can say as a in the bracket a plus b plus c is equals to a plus bc. Now, next law is the distributive law. The distributive law states that the following condition: a into b plus c is equals to a into b plus a into c, or in a ORing operations a plus b into c is equals to a plus b into a plus c. Now, the Boolean laws. Next is the AND law. A into 0 is equals to 0, a into 1 is equals to a into a is equals to a into a bar is equals to 0. Here on right hand side you draw the table taking the values of a and 1 and see the result, or you can take the value of a and 0 and multiply them and see the result. Now, next is the OR law. These law use the OR operation, therefore they are called as a OR law, that is addition is performed in the OR law. A plus 0 is equals to a plus 1 is equals to 1, a plus a is equals to a, and a plus a bar is equals to 1. Now, next is the inversion law. This law uses the NOT operations. The inversion law states that the double inversion of the variable result in the original variable itself. Here we take a plus a double bar, that is 1. We are taken the double inversion of the variable, so the answer is 1. Now, these are the law we are written in a tabulic form: identity law, null law, inverse law, cumulative law, associative law, distributive law, absorption law, De Morgan's, and double complement law, that is AND form and OR form, that is multiplication form and addition form. Here we are taken simple example, proof that a plus a into b is equals to a. We have to prove a plus a into b is equals to a. Now, here we are taken a problem a plus a into b, that is here a single a is there, so we multiply by 1. We know the a into 1 is a, that's why we are taken a into 1 plus a into b. After that we are taken a as a common, the remaining variables are a plus b, so we know that a 1 plus b is 1, or we write as a into 1, a into 1, that is a. Now, second problem is prove that a plus a bar b is equals to a plus b. We have to prove a plus b. That's why we are written a problem a plus a into b plus a bar b. Now, this taken a plus b is common from both the terms. So, in the bracket remaining terms are a plus a bar. We know that a plus a bar is 1. That's why a plus b into 1, and finally we will get a plus b. Now next problem is a into a bar plus b is equals to a into b. Now first we have to a plus ab into a bar plus b by distributive law. We solve this problem. A bar plus ab plus a double b. That is, we multiply both the bracket. After that, a bar into a is a into b plus a double b. A bar into a is 1. Now ab plus ab, that is ab. Now next is example 4. A plus a into b is equals to a plus b. Now we are taken a is simple, that's why we are taken a into 1 plus a into b. Now taken a as a common, the remaining terms are 1 plus b plus a into b. That's why multiplied by a by this term, a plus a into b plus ab as it is. Now here we can write as a plus b in the bracket a plus b. Now final answer is a plus b. Now next problem is simplify the following. Realize a plus b bar c into a bar b bar into abc into a bar b bar. Now a bar b bar c, a bar b bar c bar, abc a bar b bar. Here we are taken a common and write down 1 plus bc into a bar b bar, c plus c bar plus 1 plus a bar b bar plus b. Now final answer is, here we can observe that the final answer is a plus b, and this is the realizations of the symbol or operation a plus b. Now simplify a b bar plus a bar plus ab bar whole bar. Now the solution for this is, we know that the De Morgan's theorem, break the line, change the sign. We have a bar plus b bar plus a bar plus ab whole bar. Now again a bar plus b bar plus ab, taken a as a common, a bar plus a bar b plus ab, or we get the b plus b bar. Now next problem is prove the following using the Boolean algebra theorem. A plus a bar b plus ab bar is equals to a plus b. Here we can see that a plus b, left hand side a plus, we can take 1 plus b bar plus a bar b. Now a plus, we multiplied this bracket by a, so that we get a plus a bar b. Now again taken a as a 1 plus b plus a bar b. Now we know that 1 plus b bar is equals to 1, that's why we are taken as a 1. A plus b, here you can see as a1 a plus b into a plus a bar, that is equals to a plus b, or right hand side is true. Now next problem is implement the logic expression using the basic gates y equals to a bar b plus a bar b bar plus a bar c bar, y equals to a bar b plus a bar b bar plus a bar c bar is equals to a bar b plus a bar b bar plus a bar plus c bar. Here we can apply a simple De Morgan's theorem, that is break the line and change the sign, that is a bar plus c bar. Now here is equals to, we are taken a as a common, 1 plus b bar plus c bar is equals to a bar plus c bar. Now this is the realization gate of the a bar plus c bar. We are taken NOT gate, so we are giving a and c as a input. After that we are get the a bar c bar. Now this input given to the OR gate. Now here addition is performed. After that we will get here a bar plus c bar. Now next example. Here we have to draw the circuit for AB plus A in the bracket B plus C plus B plus C. Now here our terms are A, B, C. Now we are taken a 3 gates A, B, C. Now here A is given. Now second is B. Now B is taken from this. This is the second gate B. That's why A into B. Now here is the A into B. Now second is B gate A. Here is A. Now B plus C. Now this one is the B and C given to this. After the performing of B into C, A into B plus C. After that we will get A into B plus C. Here is perform the positive operation. We will get this result. Now for B plus C is we are giving, this one is the C gate, we are giving B plus C. Now this is the simple example of the previous problem. We solve these equations and after that we will get B plus AC. Now next is the most important is we have to prove that the NAND gate, proof for the NAND gate. Any Boolean function can be implemented using AND, OR and NOT gate because these are the basic gates. So if AND, OR and NOT gate can be implemented using NAND gate, only then we prove our point. Here is the proof one. We have to implement NOT using NAND gate. We are giving a NAND gate. We have to prove as a NOT gate. Then we have to combine both input because NOT gate having only one input. That's why we here is a NAND gate. We know that the two inputs are there. We combine the two inputs. Now we will get a single input, that is A. A is given. Then here is a bubble. We get the inversion. That is when we give a input to a NOT gate, that is A, we will get A bar. Okay. Now next proof is implementation of a AND using NAND. We have proved that AND gate output is A into B, so that we have taken a NAND gate. First NAND gate is A into B, output is A into B bar, but we know that our answer is A into B. We have to remove that bar, so we are given this input. We are given this input to again NAND gate. We are combining these two inputs and after that we will get double bar. Double bars is we can remove the double bars and finally we will get A into B. Now next is the implementation of OR using NAND gate. ORing means additions. We have given A into B. We are add A plus B. Here A is given to OR gate, NAND gate. After that we are getting A bar. Here again NAND gate input combining these two, B is given, we get the B bar, A bar and P bar. Now these are given to again another NAND gate. After that we will get the A into A bar into B bar and whole bar. We break the line, change the sign. After the De Morgan's theorem we will get A plus B. Now what is De Morgan's theorem? It is used to solve the various Boolean algebra expression. It is used for the implementing the basic gates operations like NAND gate and NOR gate, used in a digital programming and for making the digital circuit diagram. These are the two theorems. Here are two theorems of De Morgan's theorem. Theorem 1 is A into B whole bar is equals to A bar plus B bar. We can say as a break the line, change the sign. Here we are bar sign is break and sign of the algebra is change. Now this is the complement of the product is equals to the sum of the complement. Here is the table, truth table for this theorem 1, that is AB. A into B bar is equals to A plus B bar. Now theorem number 2 is A plus B whole bar is equals to A bar into B bar, that is complement of the sum is equals to product of the complement. Now De Morgan's theorem we can use for the NAND and NOR. So the equivalent gate is here we can see as both A into B is equals to A plus B and A plus B is equals to A into B. These are the two theorems. Now the De Morgan's theorem realize using the basic gate. Here is the problem: a into b bar plus a bar b bar bracket complete multiplied by a into b plus a bar b. Now after solving this, we will see here a bar a b bar plus a bar b bar into a b plus a bar b. Now here we can remove or change the sign of this bar, so that we will get a plus a bar into b bar multiplied by a plus a bar into b. Since a plus a bar is equals to always 1, here b double bar plus b bar. Now we can know that b double bar means b, and here plus b bar is equals to b plus b bar is 1. Now next principle is principle of duality. The principle of duality theorem says that the starting with a Boolean relation, changing each OR sign to an AND sign, changing each AND sign to an OR sign, complementing any 0 to 1 appearing in the expression. For example, dual relationship is a plus a bar is equals to 1 is a into a bar is equals to 0. Means here we are changing the sign and also taken 1 as 0 and 0 as 1. Now these are the problem. For practice, you have to practice it solving by any Boolean laws, duality theorem and De Morgan's theorem. Thank you very much.